Hey there, this is Dan with INnerPC, and I had a request to go over differences between different folders within the Windows 10 operating system. So what I'm going to discuss today is the difference between SharePoint or a shared folder between your employees, OneDrive, and then a shared drive, a shared network drive, which is down here, Drive D. So um, basically, the INnerPC SharePoint, and it would be named your company or whatever you name it within your Office 365 account, is shared between designated people. So if you just want to have a folder here that is shared with your accounting department, that's how you would do this within this INnerPC team site. If you just wanted to have um, files and folders shared with the sales department, that's where it would go. And you would have folder structures underneath the main company name with those certain department folders. Now that's different than the OneDrive. The OneDrive is basically used for your personal documents that are shared just with you, so you're not sharing them out. And so if you click Excel right here, and I have this document open up, and it's called test. This goes for both SharePoint and OneDrive, and then I make a change. A really neat feature about this is I have autosave up here. And that autosave feature is really good because if I close this document, and you notice I didn't save the document, but if I open it up again, my changes should automatically be there. There's the second test. So when you save things into OneDrive or SharePoint, it's great because it'll save the revisions and the history of those files. So those are really great to use if you're working actively on a document. A different way how you can store things within your company is if you have a server or a hosted desktop, you could create a network drive. And there's good points to this and bad points. The good points is it might be slightly more secure than SharePoint or OneDrive because it's all within your company. It's not shared outside the network. You can also create really good rules as far as what people have access to. The main difference is it doesn't really have a revision history built into it. You can get a revision history if you create something called VSS backup, and that'll have the revision history of each folder. Those are the differences. Basically, I do set companies up to have both shared drives right here that are not related to SharePoint and OneDrive, and I mainly do that for security reasons. However, these are very, very powerful and good to use. So if you don't have a lot of folders or files that you're working on, but you need to be able to share them throughout your company, this is also a great way to do it. It's also good if you are working on a document and somebody needs to get it on their phone or their personal laptop. You can share this out with those devices either through a link or by inviting them to this folder. So that's a brief overview of SharePoint and OneDrive. If you have any questions, you can always call me or email me, dan@myinnerpc.com. The phone number is 877-488-6972. Feel free to give us a call with any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.